because basically it was just the most incredible source of social science data, and it just seemed terrible to just throw it away. So we did collect anonymized data, and we actually collected anonymized data on a very large number of people, which allowed us to do all kinds of interesting things. I mean, that's the age distribution. If you're a given age, that's the distribution of ages of your friends on Facebook. So most people have friends that are pretty close to their, most fairly young people have friends that are pretty close to their own age, and then it gets broader and so on. But you can do things like you can look at what's the relationship status as a function of age, and a function of age and gender and so on. And that's kind of fun. Or you can look at let's see, you can look at you can look at migration patterns. So you can look at between different countries in the world, where are people's, are you guys on here? I'm not sure. Probably we have to look at the bigger version, but you can see some big flows like China to the US and things like that. Actually, we can probably look. This is the median number of friends by location and so on. So these are examples of things that we've done where we're making use of user data. I mean, our business model. This is the question of what's your model for doing business, and our model tends to be we try and sell things to people when it's going to be useful to the people. We're not kind of doing this sort of indirect thing of using ads, for example, to support what we're doing. So we don't have quite the same kinds of constraints and interests. So,
okay, thank you very much. Before we thank our speaker for this fascinating talk, I would like to present him on behalf of the American University of Armenia with a gift to remember Armenia Live.
Should I open it? Okay, no. Okay, I don't actually know what this is in a. Okay, well, this is in French on the back. That's good because I can read French. But maybe inside, it's Oh, okay, great. Okay, there's a script I can't read, but that's very nice.
There's a book of photography. It's the book Armenia and it's beautiful photography from throughout the country, so you can remember your visit to Armenia.
Thank you.
So now I would like to thank our speaker. If there's other questions,